Peabody Institute Library of Danvers offers online access to the Boston Globe, a newspaper that covers local Boston area news as well as metro area and national news. Owned by Boston Globe Newspaper Company of Boston, Massachusetts, the Boston Globe is one of the state's biggest newspapers. The newspaper covers a traditional scope of topics, including politics, sports, the arts, business, and events. The Boston Globe's mix of local Boston regional news and national news makes it unique from other newspapers in the collection. ProQuest's online collection gives readers access to complete, or full-text articles from the paper, including articles from the day's current paper. To access our digital Boston Globe collection, start on the library website danverslibrary.org. Click on the Research icon. From here, in the Research and Services box, select Magazines and Newspapers. Click on the Newspapers tab, and then choose the current or historical version of the Boston Globe. For this demo, we'll look at the current edition. If you're accessing this database away from the library, sign in with your library card number. On the landing page for the Boston Globe 1980 to present collection, you'll find the main search bar and details about the publication you're searching. In the main menu, you can view your recent searches, create and access an account with ProQuest for saving articles, and get help. In the Help and Support menu, check out the ProQuest Help option for a guide to ProQuest's features and how to use them. If you want to browse an issue of the Globe as though you were reading the physical paper, go to the Publications tab. The first option, the Boston Globe with the to-present date range, will let you browse a day's print version of the newspaper. The second option, Boston Globe Online, includes online articles like those promoted on the Globe's website. It's updated at least once a day, so you're likely to find articles not yet published in the physical paper here. If you're trying to find a particular article or specific information, you'll use the search feature. As an example, I'm looking for information on the 2019 dispute between the Rose Kennedy Greenway Conservancy and Work Inc. I'll start my search with keywords. Journalists don't always use the full name of an organization. I'll try using a common, shortened version of the Conservancy's name for my first keywords, so I also get articles that never use the full name. To get the most precise results, I'll put the name in quotation marks, so I only get articles with the exact phrase. There are probably many articles that mention the Greenway Conservancy. I only want articles that address the dispute with Work Inc., so I'll add their name to the search. I'm happy with results where these terms appear in the title or text of the document. If I were searching for an article by its title, I would indicate in the search field box that I want results where these terms show up in the document title. But for this case, I'll leave this option on its default. There are more advanced search options following the terms boxes, like limiting my results to articles with specific subjects or companies that ProQuest added tags for. For this search, I'm going to start with just my key phrases. After pressing enter, I get my results page. In the sidebar, there are ways to refine my results. I can change the order in which they're sorted. I can also refine by dates published, subjects, and other qualities. Many of these options are also available on the advanced search page. I'm interested in this article. I'll click on the title to open it. Now I'm viewing the article's record page. I can see key bibliographic information like the title, author, and date of publication. There are also two tabs, one with the full text and the other with details about the article. Details includes all of the information ProQuest uses to describe the article, from the subject to related people and places. I can click on these terms to find more articles with the same subjects or associated names. In the sidebar, there are options to download a copy of the article, get a citation, email the article, or print it. There's also a section of related articles that can help me discover more articles with subjects of interest. Now you know how to access, browse, and search the Boston Globe using our ProQuest database. If you want to learn more or have any questions, our reference staff are happy to help. Visit danverslibrary.org for contact information.